DID is making waves in the AI video generation space, but does it live up to the hype? With its focus on creating lifelike avatars, I'm curious to see if this tool can really deliver engaging content, or if it's all just smoke and mirrors. DID is designed to generate realistic AI avatars for video creation, allowing users to transform text into engaging visual content. The main functionality revolves around its ability to create lifelike avatars that can lip sync to audio, making it feel like you're watching a real person speak. This could be a game changer for marketers, educators, or anyone looking to add a personal touch to their videos without the need for on-camera talent. Navigating the platform is relatively straightforward, with a user-friendly interface that seems to cater to both beginners and experienced creators. However, I did notice some features that felt a bit vague. For example, while the avatar customization options are decent, they could use a bit more depth. And while the concept is solid, I have to wonder how well these avatars perform in terms of emotional expression and engagement. The potential is there, but it feels like there are still some kinks to work out before it's truly polished. On the plus side, the ID's ability to create realistic avatars is impressive, and the ease of use makes it accessible for various users. It could be particularly beneficial for small businesses or content creators who want to produce videos without extensive resources. However, there are some downsides to consider. One major concern is the lack of transparency regarding pricing models and any potential hidden costs, which can be frustrating for users trying to budget effectively. Additionally, the platform might not be suitable for those looking for advanced video editing features, as it primarily focuses on the avatar aspect. Overall, while DID shows promise, it might not meet the needs of everyone, especially those who require more comprehensive video editing tools or who are skeptical about the technology's reliability. In conclusion, DID is an intriguing option for anyone interested in AI-generated avatars, especially if you're looking to enhance your video content. However, if you need advanced editing capabilities or have concerns about pricing transparency, you might want to explore other alternatives. It's worth a try, but just keep your expectations in check.